Hello everyone and welcome back to Sniffle Souls. Today I have got myself the same Shingeki no Kyojin mug, but this time it is filled with cream soda rather than lemonade. I also have not had breakfast yet today, but I do have a cream egg to eat after this recording. I decided to get this done beforehand, though, because I have somewhere to be later on, and I decided it's best to make sure I get this done because I can always eat later on. So, today is going to be tough because, again, I can't find my bloomin' earphones, and without them I can't hear the game. So, I'm going to have to try and do this without listening to the game sounds, which is going to be hard, especially when I can't actually remember what all the buttons are. Roll, roll, run. Run through here and over here, and hopefully they'll forget about me. Yep, knew it. It's been a while since I've been here, but yeah, I knew they wouldn't come after me. I'm obviously too badass. Need to trigger these people one at a time. Then I need to judge how much health it is that they have got, because I am really unsure about how much health they've got. Come on. Fucking weirdo McGee. Okay, I can two-shot them. That's not too bad. Probably one-shot them two-handing, but don't want to risk it really. It's not worth the biscuit. Hello? Hello? You can come after me? Yeah, good. That's good. Oh no. Oh no. They're so scary. Look at their hands. Covered in blood, and it's like they don't really have a skull. They've just got a brain protruding. I've never noticed that before. Can I? Oh, they just dodged. How very dare they dodge. It's most rude of them, if I do say so myself. Which, of course, I do. Also, it is better to fight them up here, I think. I can one-shot them like that. That's good. Because then I don't run the risk of falling off this ledge. But as there's only one left, I figured, fuck it, I'll fight them down here. Should probably chug up. Okay! Now for another upcoming hard part. This bit right here. Right here, I said, right here! Because I'm now reaching the bottom, and look at this. Douchebags. Run away. They're going to throw lightning at me. They're going to throw lightning at me. See what I've got to deal with? Blooming lightning. I don't even know what these things are. I haven't. It's not good. Oh well. Oh, you douchebag. So good at their dodging. Okay. I think that's all the ones that were around here. Now then, I need to be quick coming up here, due to the fact that there are these gigantic arrows that are trying to murder me. Okay, there's a minor save point here. I'm not sure which way round I should go, because I'm going to get shot at from either way. Now, you don't have the luxury of going slowly up here. You just got to peg it and hope for the best. Ow. Double ow. Treble ow. And get around here so the other one can't shoot at me. Jesus. I'm surprised I made that. And that hurt. I really don't think that fall should be allowed to hurt, because you have to make it in the game. I mean, maybe it wouldn't hurt if I rolled it. I don't know. Dun-dun. There's a bonfire around here somewhere. I need to get to it before I die, because otherwise I've got to do that whole thing again. And I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that. Is the bonfire in here? Yes. Hello, Solaire. I will speak to you before I have a rest.
Oh, there you are.
Yes, I am.
You've been quiet these
I have.
days. Smooth summoning out there.
Smooth summoning out there.
You've left me with
Quite
quite
the
an
impression.
impression.
Relative chance. Good, because I will need your assistance later on. I definitely will. Don't have enough to level up. Okay. Can I reinforce any weapons? No, no twinkling titanite. Can I reinforce any armor? I can. All the best ones need the twinkling. What is this shit? Not happy. Oh well. I suppose I may as well access the bottomless box. Put some shit in it that I won't be using. Might take the great sword, never know. By the way, if anyone would like me to, oh dear, do any of the stuff that I am doing here and now elsewhere, as in, like off camera, then just let me know, because I'm more than happy to do some of this off camera. Like if I ever need to do any grinding, be happy to do that off camera. So yeah, that's just a little thing, because I would like to keep everything on camera if nobody minds, due to the fact that way I make sure that I don't accidentally forget to stop recording. But if you would like to not have to go through all of this little sort of metadata-y stuff, then that'll be fine, and I will do it off camera and just make sure that I don't forget to do the old recording. Okay, I think that'll do. Right then, I do need to kindle this one later, because I've only got 5 flasks, and that is not enough for me in this place. This place is, like, ludicrously difficult, if I do say so myself. Hello! That was meant to be a backstab. That was also meant to be a backstab, but oh well. Drop anything? No? Okay. Is this a mimic? No? Good. So no mimics are about here. I just can't remember what they are. Sunlight medals. Woo! Fossile! Hello, sword bro. Can I parry you? Alright, that was a bit late. Oh no. This is bad. This is very bad. Don't do this to me, game. Gonna have to go check my battery after I've defeated this fellow. Due to the fact that usually this happens when my battery's low. Not like dead, just low. It just disconnects more often. Ugh. Fine, I'll stop trying to parry him. Just murder the bastard. Okay, let's have a look. No, battery's still on 3. Well, maybe I just can't parry, which means it probably would be a good idea to switch up my armor to this one, if I may. Yeah, sure, why not? I mean, I'm going to be slightly slower. I'm already pretty slow. But, you know, whatever. Boom. Oh, I'm not. Haha! Look at me. So badass. Yeah, what you want? I must admit, these legs are less, you know. Oh, I know what the problem is. I didn't do it properly, did I? Oh, I did. Weird. Oh well, I'm not gonna complain about being able to roll at least the same, if not faster. seem like a pretty stupid thing for me to do, to be honest. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hang on, hang on, hang on. I don't remember this room. What's this then? What's all this then? Is there something in here? There is! Aha! Maybe I have been in here. I don't remember it though. What is this? Dun, dun. Oh no, I have been here. I remember now. The darkness makes it all spookier. There's a mimic down here, but I want to make sure there are no other enemies, because I can't remember. Which one's the mimic? Chain's loose, chain looks loose, chain's loose, chain's loose, and chain's this way. So this one's the mimic. These things are absolutely horrifying. But they're not too difficult to kill. So that's good. The Occult Club. Nice. Very nice. Open that. Grab Dragon Tooth. Which I believe... Is this Havel stuff? It is Havel stuff. Sorry, Tarkus, but we may have a slight... another change here. What's the Dragon Tooth? Like... 290 to my 286. Well, I suppose we may as well try it. Ooh, oh, I see. What do we need? We need 40. Okay. Hello there! I'm just holding the tooth of a dragon. Don't mind me. Jesus H. Slightly heavy. Yeah. I think I'm going to go for the 4 damage less at the moment, but yeah. I don't like Havel's helm. But I like his like armor. It's probably going to be too heavy. No, it's not. Cool. We'll go around like this for a bit. Gonna be a bit of a mix. Like, it's like we missed leg day. But, oh well. I don't go to the gym, so I don't mind. Missing leg day, no problem with that. Now then, I believe we have some stairs to ascend. Ba-dum-bum. Ba-dum-bum-bum. Ba-dum-bum. And we ascended the stairs. Yeah. Oh, that's another mimic. Ow. How dare you, mimic. Making me chug my final flask. Oh well, got some gold. Classic drop there. Hello, you there at the end of the hall, don't mind me. I'm not ready to keep going yet. Right, if I remember correctly, there's an enemy in this room. There is. Let's see that sword. Hello. Yeah! Take that. Ooh, is there anything down here? Always best to check. Nope, okay. I'm probably going to die up here. If I remember correctly, it's not the nicest of places. Hello there! How you doing, Bert? Good. How's the wife? She good? Yeah? Cool. Thanks, Bert. We have to catch up again sometime soon. Then come down this stairway. Check there's nothing in their way. There isn't. Come in here. Open this door. And have a look around. There are 3. I only thought there were going to be 2 of them. Oh well. I am nearly dead. That's probably bad. Especially when I have to face 2 more of them. So I will use a humanity to heal me, 'cause I've got 19 and I need to kindle the bonfire anyway. Okay. So, the way to lure one of them over here. Come on, you jammy bastard. Get your fat ass through that door. With your pointy ass helmet with your fucking kill for a head. Ooh, me fun. It's making light noises. I got a Facebook message, but I won't reply to it yet. I gotta kill this other jammy dodger first. Ha! Hey there, how you doing? Yeah. No drops. How? Not cool. Can't see the chain. May as well try. No? Okay. Well, I am glad of that, at the very least. Demon Titanite. I can't remember, but I did look up what that was for. Now I can open this door, correct? This is... yes. Good. Good. Right. I've got one more task before we call it today. And that is to go down the other steps up here. After killing that guy. They are the only other steps, right? I think so. Whee! Hello, bowman. It's a nice bow you've got there. I'd quite like one. May I? No? Okay. Sad times. Can I go down here? I can go down here, but does it do anything for me? It's always best to check. No? Okay. Do 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 do. Wow. Wow, wow. Sorry about how amazing I sound. Yeah. So, come down the stairs. Do you hear the whistling noise? I heard the whistling noise. Then, I'm not going to go up there. That's a bad move right now. There's another demon in there, if I remember correctly. Yes, I do. But I killed the other one, so let's hope, right, I can do the same here, right? I mean, we've got less heals, and it's equally as annoyingly damaging, and it has more health. Look at this. Barely dent in the bath. Oh dear. And I am almost certainly dead. Yep, told you so. That ain't good. Oh well. Probably should go back and get those humanities. And my 23k souls. Which is like 2 level ups, perhaps. And then run away from the demon. Because it's gonna murk the shit out of me. And try and unlock that other door. Come on, Solaire. To victory! Gotta kill this bastard again. Avast, me hearties, yo-ho! Oh god. Why? Why? Stop it! Controller, no! Don't make me lose everything! Oh my god. This is bad. Lost 2 level ups and 2 humanity. I really need to get a wired controller for my Xbox. 360. Not the most happiest of peoples for that, I'll admit. Not the most happiest. You know what? I have no reason to go and reclaim my souls now. That's a real damper, that is. So I'm going to use my last twin humanity. I'm going to kindle this mother trucker. And then I guess I'm going to have to call it. Then I'm going to eat my mini egg and hope it revitalizes my spirits. God damn it. Yeah. So, my name has been James. This guy's name has been Reverend. That guy's name has been Solaire. Your name, whether you be a guy or a gal or a bit of both, has been whatever the hell you're called. Oh, now you tell me the battery's low, Xbox. But it's not even low. What are you fucking on about? What's happened? I don't understand this thing. And I guess I will see you cats on the flip-flop. And goodbye.